Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create a Quora account. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate into your Google platform and search for Quora. From the different search results that appear, you'll select the first one that links directly to www.quora.com. I'll click on Quora, the homepage, and I'll be prompted with an interface that allows me to sign up for an account or log in. Well, in this video, we want to create an account. So there are various methods on how you can create an account on Quora. One is by using your existing Google account, using your existing Facebook account, or you can sign up with an email. In this video, we will use to continue with the Google account. Of course, you can also do that with Facebook, and if you have an email, you can still use it. Well, I'll click continue from the Google account, and I'll be prompted to use any of my available Google accounts to log in. So in this case, I'll choose one of my Google accounts. I'll select continue. And once it's done, after taking all the details it wanted from my Google account, I will be asked to take a few topics that I'll be interested in within Quora. For this video, I'll choose technology, probably, and movies. Remember, there are quite a number of categories that you can choose from depending on your interest. So in this case, I'm asked to do 3 more. So I'll click to make that 3, 2 more, 1 more, and it's done. I'll click on done. And there we go. My account has already been created. To navigate to my profile, I'll navigate where there's an icon with my image that it had picked from Google. Clicking on that drop down, I have all the other settings and customizations that I can have on my account. Notice that now I have the ability to see all the posts that are related to my interests that I had selected. That is science, food, health, movies, and technology. Notice how easy it has been for you to create an account on Quora. Well, with this video, you can now create a Quora account easily with very simple steps. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.